Friends, welcome to our channel. This is our first video for class 12 entrepreneurship completely in English for you only. See how we will complete this entire syllabus of class 12 entrepreneurship with help of diagrams, flowcharts and mind maps. So be ready with your notebooks and pens so that you can write side by side. See, how many chapters are there in your book? Total 6 chapters in class 12 entrepreneurship book. But which book? In description you find the link to download your book. Only CBSE book we are following. So how many total units are there? Total units are 6. Today we will complete unit number 1. And unit number 1 is entrepreneurial opportunity. Entrepreneurial opportunity means from where an entrepreneur find opportunity. Obvious, from the environment. From environment, entrepreneur find opportunity. Like if you scan the environment, you see, oh, in my area, no medical shop is there. Then open a medical shop. But first think about your passion, your knowledge, your skill. According to your passion, knowledge and skill, scan the environment. Like there is not a dance academy in your area and you are a good dancer, you can opt it as a profession. Open a dance academy in your area. Or if you are a teacher and no coaching center for specific your subject in your area, open a coaching center. Or think about other problems and needs of the people. So in this chapter we will discuss with the help of different flowcharts, diagrams, mind maps, different topics of this unit, and the topics of this unit are: first topic, sensing entrepreneurial opportunities. First you need to sense entrepreneurial opportunities. Sense, how we sense it. Sense by mind, how we feel it, how we sense it, how we observe it. This is very first topic. Then careful observation of environment. Look around you, look your surroundings, check your surroundings. This is environment scanning. This is environment scanning, careful observation of the environment. Are you noting down it or not? Side by side, please keep your notebook open, keep your pen in your hand and note it down. Chapter name and the key contents which you have to cover in this unit. If you don't know the chapter name or key contents, how will you complete the chapter? First of all, at least introduction you should have in your notebook. So please note it down. Second topic, this is first topic of this unit, sensing entrepreneurial opportunity. Second topic is environment scanning, careful observation of the environment. Third topic is problem identification. Why we need to identify problems? Because problems of the society are opportunities for you as an entrepreneur. As I explained before few minutes, key, there is not a chemist shop, there is not a dance academy, there is not a coaching center in your surroundings. Then provide this facility to the people. Problems of the people are opportunities for you. So identify those problems which you can convert as your opportunity. Next, idea fields. Idea fields, from where you can get different ideas. The fields, the areas from where you can get ideas. And then trend spotting. Spot the trends, what people want, what people require, what is the taste and preference of the people, what they are using, what they want to use, like fashion trend, like the type of books they are reading, or if you are opening a dance academy, which type of dance they want to learn, Indian, Western or other type. So always read trend, spot trends. There are different ways of spot trends, like read trend, think trend, watch trend. Then next topic is creativity and innovation. Why creative? Why creative? Have you ever bought a same pair of shoes every time? Same color, same size, same design, or the same dress every time? Last time when you purchase a dress of red color, now this time when you go for shopping, again you purchase a dress of red color. Same design. I think no. You also are saying no. It means we always prefer to have something new. We always ask a shopkeeper to give something new, to show something new, because we are asking for different designs. This one I have, this one I have, show me something new, I want to take something different, I want to be special in my new dress. So what is the responsibility of producer, seller? What is the responsibility of producer? What is the responsibility of entrepreneur? To provide new every time. To defeat your competitors, what you have to do? You have to be creative. You have to be innovative. How we will be creative? How we will be innovative? By different steps. What are the different steps? These steps are given in our chapter in creativity and innovation. Creativity process, steps of creativity, innovation process, steps of innovation. You have to be creative to defeat your competitors. Then selecting the right opportunity. Selecting the right opportunities, you have scanned the environment. You have so many opportunities in front of you. You identify field, you identify problems, you spot the trend. Now you have everything. Our next task is selecting the right opportunity and start the work. In next unit, what we will do? We will move ahead on the next step. Let's complete these topics with help of different flow charts. But keep your pen and notebook in your hand. Note it down. Note down all key contents. Pause the video. Note down all key contents. And then we will draw different flow charts, diagrams to complete this chapter. Be with us and do not forget to subscribe and give like.